Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the 4 hour time frame, US dollar yen, I still think that we're going to end up going up to at least 100% fib and maybe even higher. It kind of still looks to me like this may actually end up popping down before it actually pops up. Maybe it looks something like that. And potentially, once that's all complete, it might even end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension on here. My main target is definitely one of these higher fib levels, but this definitely still looks impulsive down corrective up to me, which is why I think that today's CPI, we might end up getting a push down, maybe take out that low, and then end up continuing up like that. So if it does pop down like that, I think that would potentially make for a really nice long opportunity, probably taking it up to one of these much higher Fibonacci extension levels. Like I was saying yesterday, whether this is an A or a 1 or whether this is a B or a 2, we don't really know. But if we go long, hopefully we can learn and earn whether we're looking at a wave 3 or a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.